Right. I got a few things from Dollar Tree. Um, First and foremost, I decided I need these for the toolbox, and I really do. I think this was to be like differently, but it is a slip joint plier and a long nose plier. The carbon steel construction, wire cutting included in long nose plier. I mean, you know, you can use pliers for a toolbox. Honestly, I didn't have any. I mean, I did, but I want regular. You know, yeah, yeah. Honestly, the good regular player pliers would be really good to have. So yeah. Second thing, a woodland solo kit, Tennessee kit, $5. My thing is having two things of water things right here. That's the only goal. This is the basic one. Oh, don't they have a Dollar Tree now? I bought like four of them because why not? Yeah, these. So I got me, and by the way, I got me some on the go wipes. Ah, and I actually put like one or two of these on the bag. And that's um, since this is a double A, it's my EDC uh, flashlight. I decided to get myself some cheaper little ones. Of course, I'm gonna have to have an extra one because. By the way, if you know these things take three, why have that an 8 pack and not a 9 pack? So yeah, yeah. Yes, I did this. Yeah, I got this because well, it's almost it's like this. You gotta do. I think we good just to hand grip. It's a this is very back heavy. But I guess you're gonna you have to have that because you'll be like this anyway. So yeah, and um, I got. Oh wow, these are. Oh wow, these are these were zippable. Nice. I got the big type of paper clips, and I got the shiny paper clips. The 26 mm and the I don't know, but these would be 70 count, 250 count. But for the urban kit, though, right? Going these, yeah. Because if you're in an urban situation, SHF situation, right? Someone's coming after you. Can I use these? Oh, it has a built-in flashlight. This is a built-in flashlight. Nice. So I can't replace them? Does that mean I can't replace them? No replaceable batteries? I mean, it was only $1.25, so like, whatever. So yeah, that's the stuff I got. More importantly, I had got some pliers, which I do need for the thing. Yeah. Anyway, that's pretty much all I got. So yeah. Um, I'm gonna do woolen for this because it's a bright color, and there's no way red's gonna be on the ground anyway. So yeah. So I guess the first thing I'm gonna put in here, these. So yeah. I still have my bushcraft one out there somewhere. But I want just a regular woodland, so I can have, a one for woodland and one for urban survival. Yeah. By the way, people from not United States, this is pretty much common in high risk cities. It's what, 8, 12, 45 in the morning? I guarantee you I'm gonna lose this. I guarantee I'm gonna lose that thing right there. Oh, it comes off. I'm gonna lose this right here. I know this. But this is a precious resource. You could probably use this as like a lure something. I guess I don't know. But yeah. Anyway, Post Fox Ho, who's having wasteland. God bless and peace. God's force against us.